Hello, in this video we will demonstrate how to crop and cut your 3D image. Here in method 1 we will demonstrate how to cut by dragging the dotted lines around the periphery, or we call them the cut lines. Here we will demonstrate method 1 by dragging the cut lines. From the original load position, you will note the cut lines are like the picture frame around each of the cone beam images. So as an example, let's say we want to cut away the left side of the dentition. We grab the cut lines, you see the double arrow. With the mouse, I'm left clicking and dragging to the middle, releasing, and here you can see that we cut away the left side. So here we've made a multitude of cuts using our cut lines, and I'll just cut the back off a little bit more just to give you an idea. And so that is our finished result that we were going for. When completed, to return to the original image, hit the Reset tab and just drag the cut bars back to the original locations. Remember, these are picture frames on the outside, if you will, and just drag them back to their original locations. So when all your cut lines are back in their original positions and you hit reset, this is how the default load screen looks. In method 2, we will click the Mask tab on the right panel. You may either use the Shift key for the rope method or the Control key for the dotted method. We'll show you both. In the Mask method, we will cut from the 3D image. You may use this screen, or I like to double click, make it a single screen. Makes it a little easier to apply the methods. So, click the Mask tab here on the right. Next, hold the Shift key down. Shift key I'm pressing and holding. You can see that little symbol. I'm making a little rope cut. Pressing the Shift key down, and I'm cutting in between the upper and lower arches. And then once released, the image will be cut away. If you wish to reverse it, hit the Reverse tab. It acts as a toggle back and forth in that method. If you wish to go back to the original image, just simply hit the Clear tab and you'll be back to the original image. The other option under the Mask tab is again holding Control key. This time you'll get a series of dots around the periphery of where you want to cut. To demonstrate this method, again, we'll hit the Mask tab. Then we'll just simply hold the Control key on the keyboard. There's our little icon symbolizing the methods for the dot line method, and I'm just clicking in between the upper and the lower arch. You can also grab the dotted line or the solid green point and extend it out. Again, you may hit the cut if you want to cut it out, and then hit reverse if you want to bring it back up. And you can hit reverse again, just keep going back and forth if you wish to do that. And again, to get back to the original, just simply hit the Clear tab. You're back to the original image. If you make a series of cuts, and if you perhaps made a cut by mistake, you can click the Undo tab right here, and it will undo your last section and return it. And you can continue, if you wish, to take it back cut by cut. Remember, if you want to go back to the original, just simply hit the Clear tab and you're back again to the original. Here's a quick tip you may find useful. We cut away the mandible with the cut bar, and we're looking in the upper. See, I'm cutting away little sections at a time, and you can just drag this small sections at a time, and you can look at the endo roots in this method. So that's another useful tip using the cut bar. Thanks for watching how to cut and crop your 3D images.